Today, my group is here to discuss an ongoing problem in the United States, childhood obesity. According to the Mayo Clinic, childhood obesity is a condition in which a child is significantly overweight for his or her age and height. Childhood obesity is determined by height and weight to calculate the body mass index, otherwise known as BMI. If a person has a 30% or higher, they are considered obese. One of the main problems is the number of obese children is growing at a rapid rate. According to the Mayo Clinic, the number of overweight children has tripled since the 1970s, and today, 1 in 3 children ages 12 to 19 is considered extremely overweight or obese. This situation, which is now being called an epidemic, is occurring mainly in the United States. A report from the Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development shows the U.S. as the 5th leading country in the world with a childhood obesity problem. The difficulty in childhood obesity is that the health problems and risks involved with children were once only health problems and risks older adults would suffer from. According to the Center for Disease Control, or CDC, the health problems include bone and joint problems, sleep disorders, heart disease, diabetes, and depression. The problem began because as a society, we have changed the types and amounts of food we eat and reduced physical activity dramatically. More families today have both parents working, which means less time for activities such as going on walks, enrolling your children in activities, meal prepping, and home-cooked meals. According to the American Psychological Association, the number of fast food restaurants has doubled between 1972 and 1998, and full-functioning restaurants have also increased by 35%. In the 1970s, only 21% of a family's food budget was spent on eating out, and in 2008, the study concluded that that number rose to 42%. The epidemic should be important to all citizens of the United States because it affects so much of our society. I will now pass this on to Clayton for more statistics and why obesity is such a big problem.